Today we're making an exotic clear glaze. This is something that is flavored with some aromatic orange, lemon peel, vanilla and mint. So when you're making a fruit tart, for example, you'll dab this glaze on top of the fresh fruit. It'll give them a beautiful lustrous shine, lock in the freshness and keep them looking great for longer. It's a really beautiful aromatic addition to the dessert. We're going to start by adding to a saucepan the water. I'm using a used dried up vanilla bean, so if you have these lying around, they're amazing for things like this. The seeds have been scraped out, but it's a great way of flavoring things like sugar or even vodka. So I'm going to throw those in. I'm going to add the agar to the sugar and give those a little mix just to help distribute them, so to make sure we don't get any lumps. So this is just raw caster sugar. You can use whatever caster sugar you like. We'll add that in. The mint, as it is, just washed. 1 piece of orange peel and a peel of some lemon. So we'll bring that to a boil and then reduce it to a simmer for about 2 minutes, just to let the agar activate and infuse the flavor throughout the glaze. So our syrup's come to a boil, it's nice and hot. I would let it cool very slightly to at least 70 degrees before glazing something. This glaze will set at room temperature and in the fridge. So I like to use what I need or just strain it into a jar, and I like to just put it in the fridge. This will last over a week, and you can basically take a spoon, put it in a small bowl and microwave it. If you want to reheat it on the stove, use a whisk to break the gel, add a tiny bit of water and then whisk while bringing it to a boil. This will dissolve the gel. I mean, it could literally be eau de cologne de patissiere. It's so fragrant and it just lends, I don't know if it's the mint or the vanilla or the lemon or orange peel, but there is something there that just tastes magical.